Hey guys, what's up? It was Taco Waco Saturday. So I make some tacos. So right about there, I have my vegetables right there. I have my taco shell right there, and I have my taco right there. So I have hard taco shell and soft taco shell right about here. I have my mincemeat already cooked, seasoned, put the whole works of season inside. It tastes good. So right now, I'm gonna stop my taco shell. I'm gonna put some ground beef first in the bottom of it. So I have two type of taco. I have soft taco and I have the crunchy taco. So I'm gonna put some sweet pepper, some tomatoes, some red sweet pepper, some onions, some cilantro, and some lettuce on top of my taco. And guys, may I tell you, when me tell you, say the taco here tastes good. The taco tastes good. No lie, taco tastes good. So I put some lemon over it, zest him up, and the lemon get a buzz. Me I tell you, when me say get a buzz, it get a buzz. The lemon was lemoning. Me I tell you. Look at my taco. The taco was tacoing. Yeah, soft taco and crunchy taco. So guys, that's all I do my Saturday evening. Chilling, relaxing with my boy Aiden. We have some taco. I may tell you, the taco delicious. It was delicious. Only thing that was missing off his taco is some cheese. I'm not a cheese person, so I don't put cheese.